Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss to print the natural numbers from 1 to 100. Like how to print the natural numbers from 1 to 100 in Java. We learn in Java, okay? See, first we have to know what is a natural number, right? Natural number means like number starts from 1 to infinity, right? All whatever the natural numbers from 1, all the positive natural numbers we know, like from 1 to n infinity we know, we can say all those numbers called natural numbers, right? See, now we know natural numbers, and I have given the range also from 1 to 100. I want all the natural numbers, whatever what are the natural numbers present from 1 to 100 range, I need to display, right? So they already given range also. So if we know the range, then we go for loop, right? For loop we are going. See, whenever guys, remember, whenever you know the range and whenever you know the number of iterations, then you go for loop. Okay. Now I'm taking I return the class natural, and I'm using public static void main. Okay. And here again I'm taking variable called integer number n, starting is 1, and I'm closing this. See, whenever I use int n is equals to 1, it will create one n memory block, the memory block name as n, and the value 1 is go and store into the n memory block. Okay. Now you have to use the for loop. For here also, here I already initialized and declared and initial. So I just using n is equals to 1 and n less than or equals to 100. See, here I already know the range. So that's why we have to use n less than or equals to 100 semicolon n plus plus. We have to increment for 100 iterations. Okay. See here n is equals to 1. It will is correct, and 1 is less than or equals to 100 is true, then it will come inside of the for loop. Inside of the for loop, what will happen? It will come inside of the for loop and it will print the n. How many times it will print? Still the condition is false. Till the condition is false, that time. Till that time it will print n values. Okay. System dot out dot println of n. Close this semicolon. See here, the only it is simple basic programming. See here, I taken the class natural for compilation purpose, and here I taken the main method for execution. Here I initialize the value 1 to n, and I use the for loop for range. Like I'm using from starting value 1 to and less than or equals to 100. Like 1 to 100, I am displaying the natural numbers. See here for how the for loop will work. See here first the n value become 1, and then it is checking the condition 1 less than or equals to 100. The condition is true. It will come inside the for loop and it will print the n value. What is n value? 1, right? Starting n value it will print 1. Later it will go again for loop and it will increment as n. Like it will increment as 1 plus plus is 2, and it will n become 2, and 2 less than or equals to, it will check for condition 2 less than or equals to 100. Yes, it is true. Then it will come inside the for loop and it will print the n value. N value is now updated as 2, right? See, like that it will do 100 iterations. Then the output will be 1 to 100. See, now I will save this and I will run this code. We'll see what will happen. See, here the output came, right? Are you able to see? See, from 1 to starting as 1 to 100 numbers, it will displaying 100 numbers from 1 to 100. See here, here if you don't write this one, you can write this one in for loop itself, int n. See here only I'm initializing and I'm declaring and I'm initializing the value. See this also same, and go and run it, you'll get same output. Okay, I hope guys you understood. We'll go daily, we'll go for some basic problems, from starting basic problems to like advanced problems we'll solve. I hope you guys understood. If you get any doubts, please comment. And without seeing my who are seeing without subscribing my channel, please go and subscribe. And I will end up this session. All of you take care. Bye bye.